All right, so let's take a look at evaluating expressions that are in log form, and we are supposed to get an actual number for an answer here. So we need to set this up like an equation. To me, that makes it the easiest to do. So I'm going to do my loop method. I'm going to start at the base, go in the direction of the equal sign. So I know that this is actually 7 to the x power equals 49. If you need to, you can go back to that video where I'm showing the loop method. Okay, so now I want to think 7 and 49. How can I write those so that they're the same base number, the same big number, but they have maybe raised to a different exponent? So 7 is just 7, right? It's prime. There's nothing you can multiply to get 7. So it's going to have to stay the same. But 49, I know that that is like 7 times 7. And 7 times 7, we got to write this exponentially, right? We got to write it as an exponent. That's 7 squared. So I'm going to replace or rewrite the 49 as 7 squared. Well, there is a rule that says that if your bases are the same, then you can cancel those out and know that the exponents are actually equal to each other. And so x equals 2. And that does make sense. 7 to what power equals 49? 7 squared. 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, let's do the same thing here. If you want to pause and try it and then come back. Okay, so I'm going to put it equal to x, and I'm going to start at my base, do a big loop. So I know that this is actually 2 to the x equals 32. All right, I want to rewrite these so they're the same base, and 2 is just 2. The only thing I can multiply to get that is 1 times 2, so can't break that down. But 32, let's see, that's like 16 times 2, or maybe you even thought of 4 times 8, right? Either way works. Let's see, 16 is like 4 times 4, and then I've got a 2, and then the 4s can break down into 2 times 2, and then there's that 2 left over. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Okay, so I can write this as a base of 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th power. Okay, and the rule is that if your bases are the same, then your exponents have to be equal. So this is x equals 5. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.